The Elephant and the Bluebird Story. One sunny day, an elephant was walking through the forest. He saw a tiny bluebird crying on a branch. "Why are you sad?" he asked. "I fell from my nest and now I can't find my family," the bird sniffled. The kind elephant gently lifted the bird with his trunk and searched the forest. After a long walk, they found the bird's nest and its chirping family. The bird hugged the elephant. "Thank you, big friend." The elephant smiled and walked away happily. Moral: kindness and helping others make the world a better place. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.